Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Slate AX versus Beryl AX. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about processor CPU. The Slate provided Qualcomm IPQ 6000 quad-core 1.2 GHz processor, and Beryl provided MediaTek MT7 9818 quad-core 1.3 GHz processor. So Beryl is better. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi standard. Slate provided Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax, and it is also provided by Beryl, so both are equal. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi speeds. The Slate provided up to 1800 Mbps, 600 Mbps 2.4 GHz, 1200 Mbps 5 GHz, and Beryl provided Wi-Fi speed up to 3000 Mbps, 574 Mbps 2.4 GHz, 2402 Mbps 5 GHz, so Beryl is better. Now let's look at the Ethernet ports. In Slate, 3x gigabit Ethernet ports is available, and it is also available on Beryl, so both are equal. Now let's look at the VPN performance. In Slate, up to 640 Mbps WireGuard is available, and in Beryl, up to 700 Mbps WireGuard is available, so Beryl is better. Now let's look at the storage. Slate provided storage 128 MB flash, 512 MB RAM, and it is also provided by Beryl, so both are equal. Now let's look at the USB port. Slate provided USB 3.0, and it is also provided by Beryl, so both are equal. Now let's look at the SD card slot. Yes, SD card micro SD up to 512 GB is available on Slate. Yes, micro SD up to 2 TB is available on Beryl, so Beryl is better. Now let's look at the power consumption. In all two devices, the power consumption is 8W, so both are equal. Now let's look at the size and portability. In Slate, 145 into 86 into 24 mm size and portability is available, and in Beryl, 108 into 67 into 22 mm size and portability is available, so Beryl is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of Slate is 400 gram, and the weight of Beryl is 184 grams, so Beryl is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Slate is higher. The estimate price is $159, and the price of Beryl is lower. The estimate price is around $139, so Beryl is better. And in the last, let's look at the target use case. In Slate, power users demanding task is the target use case, and in Beryl, travelers, general users, and better speed is the target use case. So depend upon the needs. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.